Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang XL-037. It came in the beautiful little card. And here is that plate. We're pulling off that blue film real quick and going to clean it off with some acetone. Acetone. And a paper towel for a quick wipe. I'm just going to hop right on into it. Now I will tell you, this one right here, over the glitter bomb that I'm putting it over, was my favorite. I loved how this looked. It's crazy pretty. I have no idea what that polish was, but it's a glitter bomb. You'll get to see a really good up-close image of it at the end of the video. And then this one with the little bow is so cute. Much cute. And I'm just going to keep popping along, trying to make it quick, but I want to be able to show you how well all of the images look once they've been stamped. And once again, no problems with any of the images picking up. I'm just blinking right along. Today I am using 4 stamping polishes. I am using the Funky Fingers Black and White from Five Below. Not stamping polishes, but they work so well. And this one right here is so cute. Love that, over the gold. Oh, a little out of frame, sorry. There we go. And those are images, you could use them separately down the line. These up here too. You could use any of those images like across the nail, up and down the nail. They would work really well for that. So many adorable images on this plate. I didn't realize how much I like lace images until I started swatching this last batch of plates. They're just so cool. So here we go. We're just clinking right along. I will have a link for Beauty Big Bang down below if you're interested in checking these plates or any of their other items out. That's another favorite image right there. And if you do place an order, you can get 10% off your order by using my code. It's PACK285. It is also down in the description box. So here we go with the last one. Loving this plate. So there we go. I have top coated all of these swatches, and here is an up close look at them. Adorable. Love that teal one right there. Oh. So here we go. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. And that is it for me today. Look at that one. Love it. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.